Oh, you ripper. G'day everyone. So I'm back at Lucky Bay to have another go. I had a quick fish here the other day, but the wind was pretty strong and I didn't really have much success, which a lot of my fishing trips are like. But yeah, anyway, we're back again. The weather's beautiful and I'm gonna have another go. Wish me luck. Oh, there's that cold south coast water. Anyway, here we go. Let's see if I can find somewhere on these rocks to have a cast. Be very careful though, I'm a bit paranoid about fishing off rocks on the south coast. So anyway, let's have a look. See if we can find somewhere that looks so good. Alright, we got a herring I think. Oh no, he's got me on the rocks, the bugger. Alright, I'm connected. I've just got to get him through this wash. Nice little herring. There you go. Cool. Alright, got another one out. It's hard to bring them in through this wash though. Really hard. There we go. There's another one. You want to hold it? You want a photo?
Yeah.
You can hold one. Hold it. Oh, there we go. Here's another one. The problem's right here in this wash. Let's see if I can get this one up. Yeah, nice. Nice one. That's a big herring. Look at that. Great fish. These kids are loving it. Having a great time. Oh, stoked. Oh, that's 3 fish. That's good. I'm in that little rock pool there. Oh no, I'm going to eat these ones. I'm keeping a real close eye on that gull there because one of them pinched my bait the other day. I had a couple of squid that I'd caught fishing off the beach. Where'd he go? Anyway, yeah, one of those gulls came down and pinched one of my squid. Rotten prick. You got to keep an eye on them. Almost out of bait. I'd use one of these herring for bait, but I'm pretty keen on a few fillets, so if I run out of bait, so be it. 3 herring's plenty. Glorious stretch of missed the strike. I missed the strike, bugger. Oh well. It's been good fun. 3 fish. I could cut up one of those herring for bait. That's what I've been using for bait, just a herring fillet. But 3's plenty. I'll cook them up tonight. Yeah, great little session on the beach. Magic spot. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Tight lines. See you next time.